morning student. Today 24th of July. I hope everyone fine and doing your work sincerely. Today I am going to explain exercise 5F from question number 22 to 29. So let's see question number 22. See, in this question, what should be added to 9 2 by 3 to get 19? So my dear student, that is the concept of subtraction. So by subtracting 9 2 by 3 from 19, we get the required number. Okay. So we are writing as a statement 19 minus 9 2 by 3. 19 we have to write by 19 upon 1. And this is the mixed fraction, so we have to convert into improper fraction. 9 2 by 3, it was converted 29 by 3. And then we calculate what we are getting after calculation, 28 upon 3. This was converted into mixed fractions, 9 1 upon 3. So hence 9 1 upon 3 should be added. Now next question, 23. What should be added to 6 7 upon 15 to get 8 1 upon 5? In these questions, by subtracting 6 7 upon 15 from 8 1 upon 5, we get the required number. So here 8 1 upon 5 minus 6 7 upon 15, that is mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper. And then we take the LCM of 5 and 15. Here 15 is our LCM, and then use the calculation method is 123 minus 97. We are getting 26 upon 15. That was converted into mixed fraction, 111 upon 15. So 111 upon 15 should be added. See question number 24. Subtract the sum of 3 5 upon 9 and 3 1 upon 3 from the sum of 5 5 upon 6 and 4 1 upon 9. So here there are three steps. So first of all we have to find the sum of 3 5 upon 9 and 3 1 upon 3. And here we have to change into improper, 32 upon 9 and 10 upon 3, and then calculate. When after addition we get the 62 by 9 answer. And then after our second statement is sum of 5 5 upon 6 and 4 1 upon 9. So here we have to convert into this equation also improper. And then after we take the LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. That is very small number. So we have to write, find out the directly LCM. Okay. That is 18 is a LCM. And then after we calculate 105 plus 74. What we are getting? 179 upon 18. So here student, what is the question? Question is that subtract the sum of first statement from the sum of next statement. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो नेक्स्ट वाला सम मिला है हमें उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे 179 अपॉन 18 माइनस 62 अपॉन 9. पहले वाले जो सम से हमको फर्स्ट है जो हमने सम निकाला और जो सेकंड सम निकाला, तो सेकंड सम से हमको फर्स्ट वाला सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नाउ आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन वी आर गेटिंग 55 अपॉन 18 and then it was converted into mixed fraction, 3 1 upon 18. So let's move in the next question. Question number 25. Of 3 by 4 and 5 upon 7, which is greater and by how much? So how to find out which one is greater? By LCM method, because they are the unlike fractions. So we have to find the LCM method, or we have to find by the equivalent fractions. So see 3 by 4, here we have to make the equivalent fraction with denominator LCM. 28. So 21 upon 28 is first fractions and second is 20 upon 28. Which one is greater? 21 upon 28 is greater. And by how much? It means we have to subtract. So when we have to subtract, we are getting 1 upon 28 is answer. Okay. Now see next question. Question number 26. Mrs. Sony bought 7 1 upon 2 liter of milk. Out of this milk, 5 3 by 4 liter was consumed. How much milk is left with her? Very simple concept questions using subtraction concept. So first of all, we are writing the statement as usual. Milk bought by Mrs. Sony, 7 1 by 2 liter, and milk consumed by here 5 3 by 4 liter, and then milk left with her 7 1 upon 2 minus 5 3 by 4 liter, and then after we will convert it into improper fraction. 15 upon 2 minus 23 upon 4. Then we have to take the LCM 2 and 4. As you know, what is the LCM? 4. And then after 30 minus 23, we are getting 7 upon 4. This was converted into improper fraction 1 3 by 4. In all the word problem, you have to write hence also, okay, by yourself. Now question number 27. A film show lasted for 3 1 upon 3 hours. Out of this time, 1 3 by 4 hours was spent on advertisement. What was the actual duration of the film? Very simple question. एक फिल्म का शो है जिसका आर कितना है 3 1 upon 3 hours का है और उसमें 1 3 by 4 hours क्या हो रहा है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट में इन्वेस्ट हो रहा है. So what is the actual duration of the film? So as usual, we have to write the firstly statement. Total time of film show 3 1 upon 3 hours. Total spent on advertisement में कितना जा रहा है 1 3 by 4 hours. And then duration of the film. So अब total मालूम है और advertisement का time मालूम है. So we will subtract from total time of film show minus spend of advertisement. So 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 3 by 4, and we have to calculate that. We are getting answer 19 upon 12, and that also converted into mixed fraction 1 7 upon 12 hours. So let's see next question. Question number 28. In one day, our rickshaw puller earned rupees 137 1 upon 2. Out of this money, he spent rupees 56 3 by 4 on food. How much money is left with him? Very common questions. Earning. How much earning is there? Rickshaw puller. That is the rupees 137 1 upon 2. That also converted into mixed fractions. So we are getting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we are getting 275 upon 2. And he is spent on food 56 3 by 4. So we have to change here also. Improper fraction, we are getting 227 upon 4. Now how much amount left? We will subtract 275 minus 227 minus 275 upon 2 minus 227 by 4, and then after we calculate, we are getting 323 by 4. It was converted into mixed fraction and getting 83 by 4. So let's move. Last question. A piece of wire 2 3 by 4 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece is 5 upon 8 meter long. How long is the other piece? So the total length of wire we know about. What is the length of total length of wire? 2 3 by 4 meter. Length of one piece we know 5 upon 8 meter. So length of other piece, it means we have to subtract by total length of wire minus length of one piece wire. So here firstly we will convert it into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 3 by 4 it was converted into improper, we are getting 11 upon 4 and then minus 5 upon 8 meter. Then we calculate by taking the LCM. In each and every question you have to show the LCM, that very small questions. So we are writing directly, but you have to show. Okay. Now LCM is 8. So 4 will divide it by 8. We are getting 2 as usual. And 2 will multiply by 11. We are getting 22. 8 will divide it by 8. Same number is there. So 1 times it was divided. And 1 will multiply by 5. So 5 is answer. Now 22 minus 5 is 17 upon 8. It was converted into mixed fraction. So what is the length of other piece? 2 1 upon 8 meter is the length of other piece. You have to write in each and every word problem else. Okay. Thank you.